Good morning, Moss Warriors. Today is Tuesday, December 5th, 2023, and today is World Soil Day. Each year on December 5th, World Soil Day highlights the importance of healthy soil. It's also a day to advocate for the sustainable management of soil resources. One of the biggest concerns for the environment is soil degradation. Degradation is when soil health declines due to improper use or poor management. Most Americans are familiar with what happened during the Great Depression. Dust storms were a frequent occurrence. Soil erosion caused these massive dust storms. Through the years, farmers in this country learned their lesson. They began to practice better soil management. Unfortunately, however, there are still concerns about soil health. Throughout the world, the soil is eroding at a rapid rate. Every 5 seconds, the equivalent of one soccer field of soil erodes. If soil erosion continues, the earth will no longer be fertile. In turn, global food supplies and food safety will be threatened. When soil is lost, it takes years to replace. It takes up to 1,000 years to produce just 2 to 3 centimeters of soil. It's believed that up to 90% of the world's land will be degraded by 2050. The situation is dire, which means there is no time to waste when it comes to saving our soil. Now, will everybody please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for the Mossville Pledge. As a Mossville warrior, I pledge to do my best today and to be the best I can be. At Mossville School, I am respectful, responsible, and safe. This is the warrior way. This week in our Lions Quest program, we'll be focusing on handling conflicts, including bullying and others difficult situations. Our quote this week comes from William James. Whenever you're in a conflict with someone, there is one factor that can make the difference between damaging a relationship and deepening it. That factor is attitude. Attitude is the result of the belief system we have. If we believe that all situations are for learning and that we are always capable of making things better, we can have a positive attitude and experience in every situation. If we're in a conflict and we believe that all problems can be resolved through communicating, we will resolve conflicts peacefully. Our belief about conflict determines the outcome. This week, let's commit to finding constructive solutions to all the conflicts that we have. What a peaceful place this will be. Let's do it. This week, our Lions Quest word is resolution. Daily reminders, please remember to bring your lunch card to the cafeteria each day. Get to class on time. And avoid zeros. As we get to the last few weeks of the semester, we need to make sure we're getting all assignments turned in. And if you happen to be out sick, get those assignments made up. We do not have any birthdays today. Cards for nursing homes. Join us as Mossville creates joy for nursing home residents in our surrounding area. Some residents don't have any visitors or receive any cards for the season, so we're going to do our best to overwhelm them with some holiday cheer. Please consider making a card before December 20th to help the cause. Here are some examples and ideas that you can use for your card. When you're making the card, make sure to include Mossville School. We hope everybody participates to make this holiday season wonderful for our nursing home residents.
CNA Can Fall Food Drive. The CNA Fall Food Drive will help families in need within the district of IVC.
The CNA Fall Food Drive will take place throughout the 27th of November and the 15th of December.
The winning class gets an
This day in history. On this day in 1848, U.S. President James K. Polk triggers the gold rush of 1849 by confirming a gold discovery in California. Activities Day, we've got girls basketball practice right after school, French clubs having its final meeting of 2023 after school today, and boys basketball practice is at 5 p.m. Hot lunch today, we've got macaroni and cheese with pretzel rod, pretzel yogurt and cheese plate, or sun butter and jelly. All these will be served with a cookie. Our sides are tater tots or cucumber slices and diced pears. And remember, it's a great day to be a warrior.